Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create a shared Google Calendar. Want to know how to create and share a Google Calendar? Let's go. First, open Google Calendar and look at the left side where your calendars are listed. Click on another calendar and then select Create New Calendar. Give it a name, add a short description if you like, and click Create Calendar. Once it's done, select your new calendar, click the three dot icon, choose Settings and Sharing. Here you can manage who gets access to it. Click Add People and type in their email addresses. You can choose what you're allowed to do, view only, make changes, or even manage sharing settings. After setting permissions, hit Send, and if you'd rather share it through a link, scroll down to access permissions for events, click Get Shareable Link, copy it, and send it to your teammates or friends. That's it. Your shared Google Calendar is now ready for collaboration. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.